Most captive managers hand you a 10-tab Excel spreadsheet on day one. We don't do that. Here's what we actually ask for: 5 years of policies, audits, and loss runs for each line of coverage. That's it. You collect them and send them to us. From there, we do the heavy lifting. We build the submission from the data. When we have questions about a specific claim or year, we'll come back to you. You don't need to know every answer, right? You're the conduit. Once we have what we need, we'll prepare the proposal. What they pay, what goes into the loss fund, expenses, collateral, what they could expect back based on their history. Every line item is transparent, no hidden margin. Right? Your client reviews it with you. If they move forward, premium is paid quarterly. Coverage goes into effect and they're in. Then the real work begins. Board meetings, loss control, quarterly statements. Your client isn't a passive buyer anymore, right? They own a piece of an insurance company and you're their quarterback throughout.